G'day everyone, welcome to the channel. Mum, Steve and I are here at Lorne, about 160 k's from Melbourne. It's a nice day and we're near the pier here, so we're just going to go explore the pier. I'll just move this camera. There you go. Steve's met a friend.
Say goodbye.
There you go, so we're just walking on the Lorne Pier. Temperature's about 27-28 degrees, but it's very hazy because they're doing burn off for bushfires. As you can see there in the distance, right about there, there's all smoke. I'm not sure if it's going to come up in the camera, but it's very, very hazy. Oop, hello. Yes, it's... Sorry? Oh, there's stingrays in the water. Well, I'll try to take a video of it. I was taking a video, but you can see all the smoke from the burn off there. So. Yep. Lady was saying there's stingrays in the water apparently. If I see any, I'll film them. Trying to find where Mum is. Oh, there she is. With Steve. Hello, Steve. So I'm just going to walk down the pier. Told Mum not to get Steve close to the edge because he has this urge of jumping in. Yeah, looks overcast. I mean, it's cloudy, but it's very hazy and people are looking down. Let's have a look. Okay, there's a stingray there.
They're huge.
Yeah.
There's 5 of them.
I don't want to get any close because I don't want to fall in. I don't like heights. My camera does, I don't. Okay, oh yep. There you go, stingray. Look at the size of that. Stingray. Mum's asking me what they are. They're big stingrays. Cool. Alright, that's... No, don't want to get too close to the edge. Alright, let's go for a walk. Alright, that's alright.
Like a light, lighting up in the dark. You make it right, I forgot how to act, it's so classic. Every time you make me nervous and I lose my words. It's been a while since I forgot the most simple words. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me. Now I know why I never